The 2025 Benelli BKX 125 and 125S are here, and they bring a fresh spark to the entry-level motorcycle scene. With their sleek Italian styling and powerful yet manageable 125 cubic centimeter engine, these bikes are crafted for urban riders and weekend adventurers alike. The BKX 125 offers a more traditional, versatile experience, perfect for those who crave a straightforward, reliable ride. Meanwhile, the BKX 125S stands out with a sportier edge, boasting design details that give it a sharper, more aggressive look. Both models emphasize ease of handling, making them ideal for new riders and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a lightweight option. They come equipped with modern tech features, including LED lighting and digital displays, ensuring that style meets functionality.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new BKX 125 and BKX 125S. BKX, the new Benelli series for the youngest generation of riders. Roberto, what can you tell us about the 125 market and these bikes?
The 125cc market is coming back stronger, and we are very excited about this. And so, to show to the youngest generation how beautiful and exciting is to ride a motorcycle, we are glad to bring here the latest proposal for the riders of tomorrow, BKX 125 and BKX 125S. These models are unlike any others, with their unique positioning and a distinctive soul. The BKX 125 and 125S, alongside with their sisters, BKX 300 and 300S, showed last year, and that you can see there, ready for production, are the youngest member in a new family of vehicles characterized by clean design, tight volumes, and distinctive style that allow the rider to fully embrace the Benelli riding experience. Our centro stile has blended the minimalistic surface, focusing on details and on the lighting design that is one of the most appreciated features in the motorcycle of today. Versatile, young and fresh. All these features are common for the entire BKX family, ready to welcome many enthusiasts worldwide. BKX 125 is the new lightweight adventure bike, offering endless fun opportunities in every terrain. The heart of the bike is a 125cc 15 horsepower engine that equips also its sister, BKX 125, a true sporty naked bike as well as an urban supermotard for the riders of tomorrow. BKX 125 and BKX 125S will debut on the market in spring 2025.
Thank you, Roberto.
You're welcome.
Marco, a versatile, fresh, and really young family. Can you give us more details?
Yes, of course. The two motorcycles shares the same engine, same frame, and part of the rear body, but thanks to different dimension of the chassis, we have a different character between the two motorcycles, more road and more adventure. The engine derives from the Leoncino 125, but we take a completely new thermic area. So we change the valves, we change the combustion chamber, and at the end we obtained an engine with better performance, with 11 kilowatt and 12 newton meter of torque. And of course it is Euro 5 plus. On the front we have upside down front fork with 150 millimeter of stroke on the S version and with 180 millimeter of stroke on the adventure version. On the rear, we have a single shock absorber, fully adjustable, like the front fork, fully adjustable, and it is linked to the swing arm with a progressive link. Also on the rear, we have 150 millimeter of stroke for the S and 180 millimeter of stroke on the adventure one. On the front, you can see the main difference between the bike. We have a 17-inch alloy wheel for the S version, and we have 19-inch spoked wheels and 17 on the rear.